Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. The topic for today is subject and predicate, and we will learn how to identify the subject and predicate in the given sentence. To begin with, let us see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words joined together to give complete meaning. Example, the cat drank the milk. So when we have a group of words which is joined together and which gives us complete meaning, that is a sentence. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. Now this is our topic. So let us see what is a subject and what is a predicate. Now let us see what is the subject. A subject is the person or thing that is doing an action. Ask who to the verb and we get the subject. So the person or the thing that is doing the action in the given sentence is called a subject. If you ask the question who to the verb in the sentence, you will get the subject. For example, Mary likes to run at the public park. Now, which is the verb in this? Likes is the verb. So, if you ask the question who to the verb likes, who likes Mary? So, then Mary is the subject. Now, let us identify the subject in the following sentences. So, first you have to identify the verb and then you will get the subject. In the first one, Amy and her brother were sick. So, who were sick? So, where is the verb? And what is before that is the subject. I was told that this would not be a problem. So here was is the verb and I is the subject. Third one, there are two kinds of wine available, red and white. So are is the verb and there is the subject. The teacher and her assistant told the student and his parents that there would be a quiz next class. So here told is the verb. What is before the verb? So who told? The teacher and her assistant. So that is the subject. You and your brother go to your room right now. Go is the verb. So who go? You and your brother. So these are the subjects in the given sentences. Now, as we have understood subject, let us see what is predicate. The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. It is the part of the sentence that is not the subject and includes all the description of the action. So other than the subject, whatever is there in the sentence, the rest of the sentence is the predicate. It includes the verb. The verb should be included in the predicate. For example, my brother throws him the ball. So which is the verb? Throws. So from throws to the last, throws him the ball. This is the predicate, whereas my brother is the subject. Now, let us identify the predicate in the following sentences. Don't you need to pay for that first? So first you have to find the verb. Need is the verb. So from need till the last will be the predicate. Second one. Kevin talked to his teacher and thanked her for her help. Now which is the first verb? Talked. So from talked till the last is the predicate. Third one, I like potatoes. Like potatoes is the predicate. Fourth one, Brian was escorted out of the hospital with his parents. So here we have the auxiliary verb was. So was escorted out of the hospital with his parents is the predicate. Fifth one, Brian and his siblings were escorted out of the hospital. So from where escorted out of the hospital is the predicate. Our next topic is subject in imperative sentences. Now, when we studied kinds of sentences, I had told that we don't have subject in imperative sentences. So, in an imperative sentence, the entire sentence is usually the predicate. So, the complete sentence, if it is an imperative sentence, the complete sentence will be predicate. For example, do your homework. For this example, do your homework is the predicate. Do is the verb and the rest is the object. So that total, it will become a predicate. It doesn't have a subject. There is no subject in an imperative sentence. Now, let us have a quiz. By identifying the subject and the predicate, we'll circle the subject and we will underline the predicate. Okay. So, first one is I want a new car. Here, I is the subject and want a new car is the predicate. James is nice. James is the subject and is nice is the predicate. The sun is moving. The sun is the subject and is moving is the predicate. Max wrote the letter. Max is the subject and wrote the letter is the predicate. The letter was written by Max. The letter is the subject and was written by Max is the predicate. The farmers are plowing the field. The farmers is the subject and are plowing the field is the predicate. Billy Reynolds is an amazing baseball player. Billy Reynolds is the subject and is an amazing baseball player is the predicate. Let us continue. The eighth one. The storm clouds are getting darker. Here, the storm clouds is the subject and are getting darker is the predicate. Ninth one. Dogs, cats and turtles make the best pets. Here, dogs, cats and turtles is the subject. Make the best pets is the predicate. The stern judge ruled that the defendant was not guilty. Here the stern judge is the subject and ruled that the defendant was not guilty is the predicate. Only I am able to know what I am thinking. Only I is the subject and am able to know what I am thinking is the predicate. 12th one. All of the townspeople ran from the burning building. All of the townspeople is the subject and ran from the burning building is the predicate. His broken leg will heal in 3 months. His broken leg is the subject. Will heal in 3 months is a predicate. The saber-toothed tiger is a good example of an extinct predator. The saber-toothed tiger is the subject and is a good example of an extinct predator is the predicate. That is the end of the chapter subject and predicate. I hope all of you have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.